Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel because this video took a lot of effort to prepare. And if you're trying to build a healthier, stronger, more energetic life, you definitely don't want to miss what's coming next. Let's get started. 1. Why food shapes your entire life. Your body is powered by two major energy systems, and the fuel you eat determines how well each system works. According to the foreword, page 4, your food choices decide your daily energy, your motivation, your ability to stick to fitness goals, even your mood and long-term health. Most people fail at diets not because the plan is bad, but because they lack the right mindset and the right fuel. Your body is literally built from what you put into it. 2. The basics of how your body produces energy. Chapter 1, pages 5 through 8, explains something crucial. Your body uses two energy systems. First, the aerobic system uses oxygen to break down carbs, fats, and amino acids. Second, the anaerobic system provides fast energy without oxygen, especially during intense activity. When your food is unhealthy, these systems become weak, leading to fatigue, poor performance, and lack of motivation. Your body is literally built from what you put into it. 3. Fixing the way you think about food. Chapter 2, pages 9 through 11, reveals that mindset is everything. You must understand which foods your body needs. You must reduce sugar, processed fats, and harmful chemicals. You must replace junk food with real, nutritious alternatives. You must take control over your habits. Most people eat based on cravings, boredom, or convenience. But true health comes from awareness, knowing what your body needs and choosing it on purpose. 4. Honey and whole grains, nature's energy tools. Chapter 3, pages 12 through 15, highlights two superfoods. First, honey. This is a natural energy booster. Honey contains carbs that fuel the body. Glucose is fast energy. Fructose is long-lasting energy. Honey supports blood sugar stability. It's great for kids, athletes, and busy adults. Second, whole grains. These are slow-release energy. Whole grains are high in fiber, minerals, and vitamins. Whole grains reduce cholesterol and protect the heart. They also help with weight control. These foods keep your energy stable throughout the day. Unlike sugar, white bread, and processed snacks, they cause a crash right after eating them. 5. Nuts and lean meat, clean fuel for strength. Chapter 4, pages 16 through 19, explains how nuts and lean meats are essential for building a strong, healthy body. Nuts. These protect the heart, support healthy cholesterol, help stabilize blood sugar, and provide essential fatty acids. Almonds, Brazil nuts, cashews, and walnuts are all nutrient-dense and perfect as healthy snacks. Second, lean meat. This is pure, high-quality protein. It has essential amino acids, and it's faster digested than plant protein. Also, high in iron to fight fatigue. Choose skinless poultry, lean beef cuts, and lean pork or lamb. Your muscles, immune system, and energy levels depend on these sources. 6. The benefits of eating healthy. Chapter 5, pages 20 through 23, breaks down the rewards of eating right. First, you become healthier. Your immunity is stronger, your digestion is cleaner, your metabolism is better. Second, you save money. Healthy food costs less than medical bills and junk food habits. Third, you reduce toxins. Cleaner eating means fewer chemicals, less inflammation, and reduced cravings for alcohol and smoking. Fourth, you gain more energy. more physical activity, more productivity, more confidence. Fifth, better social life. Eating right improves your appearance, mood, and confidence, which affects how people treat you. Now, 7. How to build a healthy lifestyle for life. The final chapter, pages 23 through 26, gives practical rules. First, know your daily calories. Everyone needs a specific amount depending on size, activity, and metabolism. Second, eat healthy fats. Choose olive oil, nuts, fish oil. Avoid processed oils. Third, choose slow carbs. Whole grains, oats, vegetables. Avoid sugar and white flour. Fourth, eat more early, less late. Your metabolism slows down at night. Fifth, allow yourself a cheat meal weekly. Balance keeps you consistent. Sixth, eat slowly and drink water. It reduces overeating, improves digestion, boosts energy, and replaces harmful soft drinks. Healthy living is not about strict rules. It's about sustainable habits. Now, an outro. This is where we ask them to subscribe. If you enjoyed this video and want more health, nutrition, and lifestyle content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next powerful guide. Stay healthy, stay aware, and fuel your life the right way.